Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, I guess the camera didn't cure him this time. It didn't, but you're not squeaking like you were. No. Oh my goodness, those hiccups. Is that when she downed his oxygen earlier that he did? No, because she hasn't moved it all day. Mm-hmm.
He's sitting at 99 right now.
You don't need that stinking thing. No, let's get it on tomorrow. Let's do. Let's do. Yeah. Oh, you're so handsome. Boop. Boop, 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 boop.
I'm gonna look at those pictures again when I was a baby, but I think I didn't have a chin either.
Mm-hmm.
It's all it knows.
Oh, those are terrible. Those are terrible hiccups. They are. You know, he startled him.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna get up out of here.
Oh, he is. I'm trying to look around.